Alright guys, I'm in my Ford Expedition 2003 Eddie Bauer. I have my key right there, and I have a no crank no start issue, so I turn the key inside. I have battery, everything works, but when I turn the key it just doesn't start. So I watched a couple video on YouTube, and so they talk about the fuse, the battery and everything, but I'm really not a specialist. So I found this video this morning saying that I should try with another key, and here we go. That's it. So don't pay $1,000 for nothing. Just if you have another key, try it, and it's gonna save you money. All right, see you